Hey model fans, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Ducky's Model Cars. As always, I'm your host, Kenny. I know I've been away for a while, haven't posted a video in what feels like forever, but 2022, I'm back now. To start off quickly, I just want to say, hope everyone had a great holiday season. Merry Christmas to all of you who celebrate, and wishing everybody a Happy New Year. Hopefully 2022 is even better than 2021 was. I know, the world kind of is still not the greatest and back to normal. But anyways, without rambling on too much, I want to start off the new year by kind of committing myself to making more videos on this channel, obviously related to model car stuff. So since I haven't made a video for a while, I thought let's start the new year fresh. Let's start these new videos off by, I'll show you guys my whole collection as it sits, because I know the last video I made was almost like half a year ago, 6 months ago or something. So a lot has changed since that one. So I'll go through everything in my collection as it stands right now. I'll tell you guys obviously what the car is and who the model manufacturer is, as I know that's a question that I get asked in the comments a lot, or on my other Instagram page or whatever. So without further ado, me rambling on too much, let's get to the cars behind me, which is what you guys really want to see. All right, everyone. So this is going to be in no real particular order. I'm just going to basically go through the shelves. And I guess another quick update from the last video I made is I think I only had the one shelf before. Well, now I have two shelves, which you can see are almost full except for a few spaces which we still need to fill. But to kick things off, we have my Lamborghini Gallardo, which is a Maestro model, the one that started this whole collection as it sits right now. My Lamborghini Huracan, which is a Kyosho model. Beside that, we have the autoart Lamborghini Performante, Huracan Performante, and then under that, we have a Maestro Murcielago, we have the Maestro Aventador, and the autoart Centenario. Moving on from that, we have the Hypercar Holy Trinity here. So we have our autoart Mclaren P1, a Maestro Ferrari LaFerrari, and an autoart Porsche 918. Just like I said in the last video, guys, if you watched it, most of my collection are autoart models. They're just the ones I like. So don't be too surprised when you hear the majority of my models in the collection are autoarts. All right, moving on from that, we have a Burago Ferrari F40, Burago Ferrari 458 Speciale, and a Burago Ferrari 488 GTB, kind of the special edition with the black roof there. Moving on from that, I have my Maestro McLaren F1. I believe it's a Burago Ferrari F50, or a Maestro F50, and a Hot Wheels Elite Ferrari 550 Maranello. Under that, we have a Hot Wheels Elite 4GT 2005. We have the Maestro 4GT 2017, and the new Ford Mustang GT500, which is by GT Spirit. Under that, I have a pair of Challengers. We have the Hellcat Red Eye by GT Spirit. We have the Demon, also by GT Spirit, and the Fast and Furious 69 Charger, Toretto's car, of course, which is by Greenlight Models. And then last but not least, on the bottom shelf here, we have the Maestro C5 Corvette Convertible. We have the Hennessy Exorcist Camaro by GT Spirit. And we have the GTR R35 Nismo, also a GT Spirit model. So that's everything there in cabinet 1, as you can see, full. And just a quick note, the cabinets I use are IKEA Detolf cabinets. They come standard with 4 shelves, the glass shelves you can see there, like where the Centenario is sitting. And then I went ahead and added some extra shelves in there, some just plexiglass shelves with some clips. Again, if you guys are interested, I'll put links down for the IKEA site and where I've gotten these extra shelves and clips if you guys want to get it. So it takes your capacity from 12 cars as standard up to 24. So moving on to the second shelf here, we start with some McLarens. So we have here my McLaren 675 LT Spider by Top Speed Models. We have the AutoArt 720S and the AutoArt McLaren Senna, which is a fairly new addition. We have arguably probably one of my favorite models that I bought last year, and one of my favorite models in total is the AutoArt Lamborghini Murcielago SV. We have the Aventador Sv and the SVJ, all by AutoArt. Moving on, we have the Koenigsegg 1-to-1, again, an AutoArt model, and then the Porsche Carrera GT and the GT3 RS, again, 2 AutoArts. Here we have another special edition model, you can say. It's the Mini Champs G-Wagon, but the Shmee 150 Special Edition, one of 99 pieces. So really cool to get one of these. Unfortunately, it still kind of angers me a little bit that I didn't get the SLS, but if anyone knows someone selling one, hit me up in a comment down below or message me on Instagram. Beside that, I have this kind of a random edition that I bought. This Mercedes 190 SL, which was a Maisto model. And then we have the Beast of the Green Hell, the AMG GTR by Autoart. Moving on from that, we have the Maisto Lamborghini Reventon. And then we have the pair of R8s, R8 GT by Kyosho models, and then the R8 V10 Plus by Maisto. It's a Maisto Elite model. I'll make another video kind of getting into the different types of brands, but it's a Maisto Elite. Moving on from that, sorry about the shaking, guys. We have Rolls-Royce Wraith, which is a Kyosho model. We have the two Aston Martins, the V8 Vantage and the Vanquish S, both by Autoarts. And then rounding out the shelf, we have this, I believe it's a Burago Viper, Dodge Viper, like kind of the first edition. We have this 1999 Mustang GT, which is a Maisto. And then we have the C8 Corvette here, which is also a Maisto model. And then last but not least, guys, just to round out the models of my 118 collection, we have this Spark model. It's a 1966 Le Mans winning, or Le Mans running car, the Ford GT40, which was the Ken Miles' Denny Holm car. Of course, you guys probably know this car, made famous by the Ford vs. Ferrari movie. And then there's Batman. And then we have my, just kind of a bit of a random one. It's a Lewis Hamilton 2018 Azerbaijan winning Grand Prix car. And that does it for my current 118 scale models. Okay, so that's everything that's currently in the collection right now. As for things that I have incoming, I have currently on order mostly Autoart, as I mentioned. So I have the 600 LT on order. I have a DBS Superleggera on order. I have a 991.2. I have a GT2 RS on order. And then I also have another Lewis Hamilton F1 car. It's the 100th win car from just this past season. So those are all coming in the future as things are they're ordered. The 600 LT I thought should have been here by now. It was set to release in 2021, but I think Autoart, I don't know, I think they must have had some trouble getting some cars out, because even something like the SVJ, which I have in my collection now, I know it's kind of, they were available, and then like a week later they weren't available anywhere seemingly. So I'm not sure what's going on, if the supply chain issues or whatever, but yeah, those are 4 models that we have to look forward to that I know for sure are incoming. I'm always looking for new things or something to add. So like I said, if you guys in the comments know any good deals on model cars, or just something you want to sell that maybe you think would fit in with the collection, definitely comment below, or send me a message on Instagram. I'll link that below. I'll put it up on the screen here somewhere as well. Go give me a follow. And yeah, I won't bore you with the wish list. I'll make another video at some point kind of on my model car wish list. But yeah, that's everything that's currently in my collection. As I said, I'm going to be more consistent now making videos. I'm going to try to do 1 video a week on this channel here for you guys, just related to cars. Let me know down below if you have a favorite from everything you've just seen in my collection. If you're looking for some individual videos, I already have an individual videos on the SVJ and the Senna. I did a full unboxing and review on the SVJ on the channel when I got it, and then I just did a quick review on the Senna. So I guess let me know if what you guys want to see next. Otherwise, I'm just going to keep banging out videos on the individual models. But yeah, I don't want to ramble on for too long, guys. There you go. There's my whole 118 model collection. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. And again, let me know down in the comments what your favorite model is. That's it for now. Bye, and happy 2022.